All right, I'm gonna show you guys an easy way to keep your chickens busy by making them a little treat toy. You get any type of container. I just have a Gatorade container and a drill bit. You want the drill bit to be the size of the treat you're gonna put in here. So I'm gonna put some scratch in here so that's corn and other seeds and grain and things like that. So I'm gonna put a couple holes in here and then I'll show you and then I'm gonna fill it up and give it to the chickens. Okay, so I just kind of put a bunch of holes randomly all over the place and empty out the plastic that's in there. And you can see we have a bunch of holes out here. And now what I'm gonna do is put some grain in it and give it to the chickens. All right, so I just have a bunch of grain down here, or scratch, that I would just keep on stock. I'm just gonna fill this up. Put a little more in there. And you see, just put the lid on it. You can just shake it and you see the treats fall out, but it kind of controls them from getting too much treats at once. So I'll take this, I'll put it on the ground, they'll investigate, and they'll start to play with it. They may not scratch at it right now just because there's some treats on the floor with it, but they'll start to figure it out. This one, Donna, she's probably the smartest chicken that I have, and she's usually the one that enjoys it the most, and then these guys just hang out and try and get snacks as she kicks it around. But yeah, I hope you guys like it, hope you guys make it, and let me know what you think.
I can't forget the day we met, your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met, your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet, with you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day, for you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours.
You smiling, Tom?